Hello everyone, this is Charvi Malhotra from Jaipur. I really wanted to share, and I'm sharing through the medium who has given me some best things in life and has changed the way I used to live. So, because you're healthy, so you get a lot of things, you get to hear a lot of comments from people, which makes you irritated. But it is also important for you to be healthy, not just by avoiding those things which you're eating in your regular days, but by eating what is required, what is healthy, and by doing a minimum amount of exercise. So here I come. I have definitely loosened weight. I have lost inches more than my weight, but that is also a good sign. So before having my hands on all these things, I tried a number of dietitians, but the results were nil because all these things were very pressurizing. There was no set exercises given to me, just that you have to walk 10,000 kilometers. I'm a person who has a 9 to 6 job, plus I have my own work. I trade a number of clothes and accessories. So because of that, a lot of time goes into sitting and concentrating and having time spending in front of the screen. And because of that, you don't get the time to actually think कि अच्छा मुझे आज ये एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, आज मुझे ऐसे करना चाहिए. नहीं होता है यार, समझो. So here I land up with a very great program which is given by Krishna. In in that I was trained to do a certain schedule of exercises every day in a week. I was given a proper schedule when I have to eat, what I have to eat, when I have to exercise, before exercise, after exercise, what am I supposed to take. There is absolutely no foundation and no pressure. बहुत ईजी है, बहुत सिंपल है. मुझे सिर्फ वही चीज़ें करनी थी जो कि मैं अपनी डेली रूटीन लाइफ में करती हूँ, बट इन अ सर्टन मैनर, सो दैट वो मेरे वेट को कंसिस्टेंट रखे एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प मी रिड्यूस, एंड इट डेफिनेटली डिड. So I really appreciate his efforts, and the best part is that he understands what we need, what does our body requires, and if we are sitting throughout the day, then it's very certain that our battery is gonna drain and we'll feel more fatigue and more lethargic. We'll definitely have to go to, like, just lay down for some time. But he has a plan for all those things. We feel good when we do exercise, and specifically because the exercises are mentioned, you don't have to think about it कि मुझे आज क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. The exercises are very simple and very good. Being a PR professional and also a person who's doing an online business of clothes, I really used to feel कि हर इंसान इतना अच्छा दिख रहा है, ऐसा दिख रहा है. But with him, he never made me felt like that. It's just that he helped me overcome that problem in a very good manner. I am more confident now. I was earlier also, but even more now. And I know that with him, I will definitely gonna achieve my goal. So thank you to him, and I want you guys to really trust his efforts and trust my experience. That's it. Thank you.